So here's a glimpse at what we're doing with the car once we set it up in the software to produce the machine codes. As you can see here, this is the referencing pad that we've just put on, and the other thing we need to do is on the front of the car we need to put in a sacrificial section, well in fact a piece of the material which does not get cut away, so that the whole balsa block doesn't become loose during the machining process. So if we go back to here, what we need to do is project a pad off this same plane up through the front of the car right to the end of the block. So what we're going to do is choose pad, sketch, we're back on this YZ plane again, and all I'm going to do is draw some sort of it doesn't matter if it's a circle or a square. Let's say, for argument's sake, we'll make it a circle. The circle probably needs to be a little bit more than 10 mil. I suppose we could put it in the middle. Again, that probably doesn't matter too much. If you're, well, let's just do this first. So we exit out of there, and at the moment it's taken up the length of the previous one. So this time we're going to go 295, which is the length of the block. So now let's have a look at this. Okay, so we've got this Pinocchio thing happening now. This is what we want to happen. The only problem may be that depending on the shape of your car, so for instance in here I've now got that protruding here and upsetting the shape of my car. So in fact what I need to do is to create a second limit on this. So if I open up the second limit and then choose up to next, what we find is that although the sketch is back here, the pad extends out to here and only goes back as far as that. So if you see what I mean, we no longer have that projection in here or anywhere else. So once you've done that, that's about all we need to do. Of course, if your car had a split through the middle here to get air passing through the middle, you might decide to turn off the mirror and create two of these. Create two small ones on either side, but either way, this will give you the opportunity to have a section like this at the front of the car, which stops the front of the car coming loose during the machining process.